Good morning. So we are on a road trip. We left Columbus, Ohio super early this morning. Liam's looking at me like I'm crazy. So where are we going?
Well, we're going to Nashville for the night. So 2 days. Today we're going to hang out at the Gaylord Opryland Hotel and Resort. There's a pretty killer Christmas display there.
And the rest is a surprise because I still need to plan a little bit on the way.
We have a couple ideas. Enjoy.
We made it to Europe. Just kidding. So we are at the Parthenon.
Yeah, we got to Nashville a little bit earlier, and Rachel told me about this Parthenon in Centennial Park. Pretty cool.
We are going to get some food.
Yeah, we're downtown. We're heading to the Assembly Food Hall. Hey, buddy! So what'd you think of that place, huh?
It was good.
It was good. Pharmacy is a great place to get burgers. I had the farm burger. You had the cheeseburger.
And the food hall is a good place. I wanted to also get a Belgian waffle and a crepe.
Yeah, there's a lot of different places you could choose from. Well, we made it to Opryland Gaylord Hotel.
It's raining. I gotta get inside.
But we're excited. Liam, you having fun, buddy? You having a good time? You like it, buddy? So what'd you think of the Gaylord, Rach?
Really good. Definitely recommend staying for when it's dark because the lights got like better at night. But yeah, it was really good.
Yeah, they sure did.
Lots and lots of different rooms.
So what are we doing today?
We're going to explore the street.
Yeah, we're back in downtown Nashville, and we're gonna be walking up and down Broadway, which is where there's like tons of like bars and stuff with where they play live music. Not so sure how much live music's gonna be going on this morning.
So it's
but
a Sunday morning, so it's probably going to be a little bit quiet. And then afterwards, we're getting Belgian waffles. I'm so excited.
Oh, Liam's fussing.
We better get going.
We're almost done, Liam. So that was pretty cool.
Now we are walking a bridge.
Yeah, it's called the John Seigenthaler Pedestrian Bridge. It's going to give us some nice views of the surrounding city. We almost got some cowboy boots.
Yeah, the deal was buy one, get two free, which is a great deal, so I couldn't find any.
And I already have two at home. So one of them's broken, but I'm going to fix them. Hey Rach, you want to go to the Titans game with all these fine people?
It's tempting, but a bit chilly for me.
All right, we made it back.
Going to get the waffles.
All right.
Weeds and rotten fish. Ugh. He stuffs each sharkling stocking and tests the toys. Just a bite, a light bite. Upon the Yuletide, he swims away. Oh, look at this. Hi there! Boy, look at that big smile. Liam. Hi, Liam. Yes. Liam. Hi, Liam.
This is so precious. This is so precious, man.
There we go. Look at it. Well, he's just as comfortable as anything. Yeah.
So Liam, what'd you think of Nashville, buddy? Did you like it? What was your favorite part, Rach?
My favorite part was the Gaylord Hotel. You just can't beat it.
Yeah, agreed.
It feels so cozy and tropical in there.
Another favorite of mine was him seeing Santa Claus and Mrs. Claus.
He was smiling for Mrs. Claus.
It was so cute. Well, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe. See you soon.